ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. We have already discussed the three bodies, Sthula, Sukshma, Karana. The gross body, the subtle body or the astral body, and the causal body. We have also discussed the five koshas, Panchakosha, the five sheath, Annamaya kosha, the food sheath, Pranamaya kosha, the vital sheath, Manamaya kosha, the mind sheath, Vijnanamaya kosha, the knowledge sheath, Anandamaya kosha, the bliss sheath. So after discussing these, as a spiritual practitioner belonging to the Kriya Yoga tradition, we also see the relationship between the chakras with the koshas and the relationship of chakras with the bodies. Now that we will discuss here. So what is the relationship of three bodies and five sheaths with the chakras? Now let us come to Mooladhara Chakra. Mooladhara Chakra is at the base of the spine. This is our north pole, northern pole. Then end of the spine near coccyx vertebra, at the coccyx vertebra, where coccyx vertebra ends. It is the southern pole, south pole. So Mooladhara Chakra is at the south pole. In the spine, inside the coccyx vertebra there is spine, and inside the spine there is Mooladhara Chakra. This is called Mool Adhar. Mool means root. That means one which binds, one which holds. Adhara is foundation. Means it is called a basic foundation. Without that, others cannot sustain. Means, say for example, we use software. But to use the software in our computer, we need a hardware. So without the hardware, that hardware is the foundation. Softwares cannot work. So all these our consciousness, mind, intellect, all these working here, we need a physical body with a system of brain and spinal column. Now this Mooladhara Chakra is the foundation chakra. Chakras are subtle element. Here there is primacy of earth element, Kiti Tattva. Primacy of earth element. That is why this Mooladhara Chakra is related to our physical body. So Mooladhara Chakra is related to the gross body, physical body, Sthula Sarira. Also it is related to Annamaya kosha, the food sheath, because this body has been brought up by the essence of food, grows by the essence of food, and at the death becomes the food itself. It becomes one part of this earth element, and here earth element is predominance. That is why Mooladhara Chakra related to the physical body and the food sheath. Then let us come to the second one, Swadhisthana. Swadhisthana Chakra is at the level of sacrum vertebra, above the coccyx, inside the spine. So Adhisthana. So means self, Adhisthana means when self is established. Here we are not talking about the consciousness self. Here we are talking about our I sense, feeling of I, me and mine. That starts from Swadhisthana. Why? Because Swadhisthana is predominant with water element. Vapo vai prana. Water is the life. Without water, no life is possible. So since Swadhisthana is predominantly the water element, and this is related to vital energy, vital activities. So this is related to pranamaya kosha, the vital seat, with the 5 pranas, prana, apana, samana, vyana, udana, and 5 karmendriyas, organs of action, speech, hands, legs, organ of procreation and organ of defecation. So here consciousness, without vital energy, there will be no working of consciousness. So once there is vital energy, then from here we have the identification of I, me and mine. Now this spreads to all, everything, to mind, to intellect, to physical body, everywhere. So Swadhisthana chakra, or the second center, is related to vital seat, pranamaya kosha, and subtle body, sukshma sarira. Then let us come to Manipura chakra. Manipuraka, filled with jewels. This is at the level of navel, means inside lumbar vertebra, in spine, that is inside lumbar vertebra, at the level of lumbar 2 and lumbar 3. So, Manipuraka, filled with jewels. We have to understand from here, a jewel is so beautiful to look, different colors, different jewels. But do the jewels have their own light? No. They have the capacity to reflect a particular type of color, particular type of light. That is why they are so powerful. But light is not their own. So here's, this is our mind. It is reflecting consciousness. It has no consciousness of its own. Like a jewel, it is reflecting, filled with jewel. If the mind is purified, it can give us many virtues, many jewels, like compassion, kindness, love. All these virtues will be filled if you can purify our mind. So this Manamaya, the third center, Manipuraka, is related to Manamaya kosha, the mind seat, mind and 5 sense organs, ears, skin, eyes, taste and smell. So, organ of smell, nose, organ of taste, tongue, organ of sensation, skin, organ of hearing, ear. So these 5 sense organs and mind, that is the mind seat, Manamaya kosha. So this is also related to Sukshma Sarira, the subtle body. Then let us come to the fourth one, Anahata Chakra, at the level of heart, inside the spine. This is at the level of dorsal vertebra 5. Now, this chakra is called Anahata, uninterrupted, without break. This is here, it is air element. The sensation, air element. Here, sound can be seen uninterrupted. What it is said, Shabda Brahmamaya, Shabdo Anahatam Jatra Dishyate. When sound can be seen uninterrupted, that means it is the state of not mind. In mind, sound is madhyama. Sound is pasyanti only at anahata level. So this is the place of intellect. We can see with the intellect here. See the sound, this is not the origin of sound. Origin of sound is the characteristics of space element that is predominant at Visuddha. But here we see the sound is uninterrupted at the level of intellect. So intellect and 5 sense organs, that is in knowledge seat. So anahata is related to knowledge seat, vijnanamaya kosha. This is again the sukshma sharira, subtle body. So swadhisthana, manipura and anahata, these 3 are subtle body, sukshma sharira. Then when we come to Visuddha, Visuddha means pure, no impurity. Here predominance of space element, ether element. That is in the state of deep sleep. It is state of pure state, no suffering, no multiplicity, no duality, but still we don't know the self, the real self, the consciousness principle, because of ignorance. But still then it is a state of bliss. So Visuddha Chakra is related to Anandamaya Kosha, bliss seat. Visuddha Chakra is in the spine at cervical 6 and 7 vertebra level. So Visuddha Chakra is related to Anandamaya Kosha. This is Karana Sharira, the causal body. Now 5 chakras with 5 koshas, Muladhara, food seat, Swadhisthana, vital seat, Manipura, mind seat, Anahata, knowledge seat, Visuddha, bliss seat. Each has predominance of 1-1-1-1 tattvas, Muladhara, earth element, Swadhisthana, water element, Manipura, fire element, Anahata, air element, Visuddha, space element. Now coming to the body, Muladhara, gross body or physical body, Swadhisthana, Manipura, Anahata, these 3 subtle body, astral body, Sukshma Sharira, and Visuddha is causal body. So in this way we have to understand this, because this helps us in our spiritual practice. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.